Hello, welcome to Sojaman Sikafi. Subscribe to this very channel, Sojaman Sikafi. Like the video and share so that anytime I post, you get access to our games. Okay, so today is Tuesday and you're on Lucky Tuesday. So let me take you through what we have for our Lucky Tuesday game. Yes, this is it on board, Lucky Tuesday on board, and it comes from event number 440. You see it drop you single 6 at 4 box to play with 25 and 28 at the machine. Okay, so following drop you 73 first box and 73 first box to play with 70 and 29 at machine. Yes, so following down today, your 29 should move to winning to play with 8 counterpart. Yes, that's 74, and following week the 29 will repeat live. And if we watch here, it has dropped you the 73 to lock the event. Yes, to lock the event. So this particular event is very strong to go. So please try and PM some. Try and PM some. Yes, try and PM some. Okay. So let me show you the current side of the setup. Okay, so come here, event number 855, you see single 6 at 4 box position to play with 25 and 28 at last box position, last box machine position. Yes, so following down drop you the 73 at first box to play with 70 and 29 at machine. Yes, so following it today, it says 29 should move to winning as 1 to 90 banker. 1 to 90 banker. Yes, and if it's coming from machine to winning, then it's going to drop it our is going to drop it 8 counterpart, which is the 74. The 74. So 2974 is a true direct on the event. It's a true direct on the event. So please try and PM the event and go in for 39, 29, and 74 as best try on this setup. As best try on this particular setup. Okay, so let's move on and let me show you this setup also. And this one too is it on board, Lucky Tuesday on board again, event number 142. I saw that it dropped you 68, 72 and 84 at center box position machine. So following down drop you 73, 8 and 89 at machine. Yes, so following week down today we are on this event, and here you see that this 22 dropped and repeat for the following week. Yes, dropped and repeat for the following week. Yes, so on this setup you can go in for 52, 22, 35, 52, 22, 35, and don't forget to PM the event. Yes, don't forget to PM the event. Yes, because it's very good to go. It's very good to go. Yes, and our last okay, let me confirm the 29 coming from machine to winning again. Yes, watch event number 415, sorry, 415. You see that it drop you 90, 29 at machine. 90, 29 at machine. And following week we are 29 move to winning to play with 52. Yes, the 52, you see it here. You see on this event, you see the 52 was live on the event. Now let me drop this setup again for you, and it's a transfer from Friday Bonanza event number 227. I saw it drop you 25 here, last box position. Following week lapping it with 73 to play with 1170 8 73. Yes, so following week up today we are on this event. And you see here it has dropped to left with this 48, and you can find it here. So 48 is being strong on the setup here. Yes, so please, each and everyone should try and PM this particular event. Should try and PM some of this particular event. Yes, PM, and you are going to enjoy after results. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's see our last confirmation for our banker, which is the 29. So here event number 10810 on the Lucky Tuesday on board again. It drop you 9089 at machine, and following down today we're on this event, and you can see your 29 is live on the event. Your 29 is live on the event. Yes, so 29 is being very strong, and it has been appearing and reoccurring on our events today. So no wonder if 29 dropped. No wonder if 29 dropped today. Yes. So this is going to be our full game for the day. Yes, this is going to be our full game for the day. So we'll be combining the two events, which is the 35 single 1, 22, 52 single 6, 29, 74, 75, 39 double 4, and we'll be picking best 5 out of it, which is the 29, 74, 22, 52, 39. Yes, and our best 3 is going to be the 29, 74, 22, 29, 74 is our strong 2 direct for the day, and 29 is going to be our our banker for the day. 29 is our banker for the day. And don't forget to try this particular event, the 122 repeated to lap the 35 as 2 direct also. Yes, so this is going to be our final game for the day. And this 5174, let me confirm it for you here. Let me confirm it for you here. Here I was saying that you see here it drop you the single 625 here, following drop you 73. So it's remaining the 5174 here. Yes, and as you can see, 74 is being strong on our plan today. So 74, no wonder 74 dropped with its counterpart, which is the 29. Yes, don't be surprised and don't be shocked if it dropped live today. Okay, so that's it. So this is what we have for our game for Lucky Tuesday. This is what we have for our Lucky Tuesday today. Yes, so enjoy the rest of the day with a massive win and happiness. A massive win and happiness today. Yes, so bye bye for now.